When you think of Rex Insurance, think of the resilience of overturning a 4-0 scoreline in injury time. Think of the integrity of frying a bunch of soft golden plantain without tasting any.
Femi, you have tasted more than half of the plantain on the fire.
Think of the efficiency of making a sumptuous plate of afang with just 3,025 naira.
Customer, now 220 naira remain for my hand. I beg, give me periwinkle.
At Rex Insurance, our values of resilience, efficiency, excellence, integrity, and teamwork have remained unwavering since 1918. No matter your business, agriculture, aviation, engineering, general accident, energy, motor and marine, our values and prompt claims payment are your assurance of our commitment to you. Rex Insurance, you're not alone.
Alright, so my people, I dey throw away plenty salutation this morning. As I say every Wednesday morning, once I go down mark attention, out of 9:45, time don't reach for the program. Wetin Insurance, they do serve the correct program where they give you correct information. How you fit use insurance, they can arrange every of your paro where they reach on Wednesday morning. Out of Nigeria FM 102.7, the original Niger station, courtesy as people go talk more of Rex Insurance Limited. That one mean say na Rex Insurance Limited, na then they turn that gidigba shortly for our back. They bring this program to now every Wednesday morning. My name na Faith, aka Madam Insurance, aka Oluwa Feto, looking hot since 1805. Is it your hotness? Leave it. Alright, we don't show. Now, service anytime where we show inside studio now to come talk insurance matter. Bring people self waste a bit talk can like say that they chop hot point and kill pepper soup. You where they listen to us from your house shop market office. When time reach time we go give you number where you go fit take call us inside studio here. Put your mouth for the topic where we dey touch light inside studio, or ask any question where they bother you about the workings of insurance for Naija here. This morning not be only me waka come, I waka with our in-house le prophet Obina Shile Kezie. Is a guru in insurance, is a researcher, is a planner. He's a distributor.
People, good morning.
He's a distributor. You know that even count that might finish
good morning.
Hailings for you.
Because Madam Insurance, she knows how to pronounce my name. So that's so she they use style. They pronounce her.
This is French. Le prophet Obina Chile Kezie. Is that not your name?
You tried.
Happy New Year. Now the first hour okay, where's Prof they come studio this year? You are welcome. So, all right, this morning we want to touchlight the topic of homeowner abi householder insurance. Say difference dey wetin householder insurance dey cover. Every on top the matter now we go touchlight this morning. But sharply as we dey take do on top the program, may we go drink some more water, drink some more hot tea to clear our throat. Last week where I call Wednesday, Friday, this Nigeria and Lagos they paint it red. They shop Valentine, but be like say this year women sell vest. Now they just they buy car and they see video of who they just tie the man eye. Escorter just reach there. Open it, they say, oh my wow! I say now when they shop money, they shop our funds, manage it. There's no complaint, no. But by the ways and by the bush. We did live on Instagram on Almond Finance. We did live on IG. So you go they feed, they listen to us, they see us live inside studio as the program they go. Okay, the prof, no time to check time. This homeowner insurance, abi householder insurance, na the same thing.
Now the same thing. It depends. You see, for America, they use homeowner insurance. Okay. But for UK, they use household or householder insurance. But if you look within the cover, now basically the same thing. Make I give little this thing. Before, if somebody won't buy insurance, before, the person go say won't buy cover for fire, he won't buy for theft. If now, like you women, when they wear earring and all these things, when they use jewelries, they will now buy all risk. The householder or homeowner policy now, apart from covering the building, it will cover everything when they inside. We call it the contents inside the house. So instead of you to go say you want buy policy to cover theft inside the building, you buy policy to cover fire inside the building. Both policy cover all these things, plus even waiting with the call personal liability at the same time. So not the same.
Okay, so this householder policy, as you take explain now, if person buy am, e go cover. You mention building.
Yes.
So, but if say na tenant na wan buy am,
Yes.
and no be, you know, say no be say na get house and na landlord. So na still the same thing, go cover building, cover your content wey dey inside your flat.
No, wetin happen be say if you pick the policy get 3 main sections. You get one wey they call building section. You get the one wey they call content section. We can't get the one wey they say building and content section.
Okay.
If you be landlord when no live there, you go buy building only just to cover the building.
Okay.
If you be tenant, you go buy content section, the section for content. But if you be we they say owner occupier,
okay.
so now you own the building,
And
now
they
you
live
live
there.
there, you go buy building and content to cover those perils together.
Okay, so le prof, this householder insurance policy, shey na only for house. You know, say at times, as we dey always explain, those wey dey sell market, for
Yes.
instance, maybe for mall, or even for our open general market wey government build, where our people dey sell, you go get shop inside market, or you get shop inside mall. Shey this householder policy, person wey get shop fit also buy, abi na only people wey dey for their house you fit use am buy cover?
The way when they arrange the policy, we they call them, you see, insurance, we get 2 main lines. We talk of personal line insurance and commercial line.
Okay.
Personal, they do with individuals. So if you look household, normally na individual, the person when they live there. But experience don't show, say, some people, they do business inside their house. So wetin it be say you fit buy the policy. Let's say you get house, for down you dey use and they do business, for up you dey live there. You fit buy am to cover. But the only thing be say if you dey do that, make insurance company to know, so that they can, we use the word, extend the cover to cover this additional risk when you dey use am for.
Okay, so the householder, so apart from say, okay, for the example wey you use now, say maybe the person dey live for down of the house,
yes.
e dey do business for down, e dey live for up.
Yes.
For people wey dem dey sell for, maybe
Other
get
people,
shop for inside mall,
no.
dem no fit buy this
you
policy.
no fit buy the policy.
So which one dem fit buy?
We dey call am commercial or risk policy.
Commercial or risk policy?
Yes.
Okay.
So you just tell them. You see, like I said before, now here you go just say, I wan buy fire policy, I wan buy theft. That era don go.
Okay.
If you get shop, the best thing you say you want one policy, we dey call am package policy, when go cover almost everything. If there is loss, you can claim. So if you buy that commercial or business or risk policy, e go cover theft, e go cover fire. Even the people when they sell for you, if they steal small things, e go
people wey dey sell for you, dey steal small things. Na big things that they steal. So na small dem dey thief am.
So the
Like
policy,
say don get experience.
the policy go pay. And one good thing with when you have an all risk policy, make I use the COVID example. You get one policy when we insurance people they sell, they call am business interruption policy. Business interruption policy means supposing something happen and you no fit do your business, the money when you go dey lose during that time when you no dey do business, the policy go pay. During COVID, many organizations across all over the world, they shut down.
Yes.
So the money when they earn during that time, they no earn am. For UK, because those small businesses and even big ones, they get commercial or risk. Their business interruption policy pay them, let's say you have a business every day, you dey earn 10,000 naira. Because of COVID, you no earn anything again. Because your policy, when you get the business all risk policy, those people, the insurance companies, their business interruption pay them every day when they didn't operate. But here, because when they do business here, they go say that they buy policy for fire, that they buy for theft and all those things. When we get shut down,
they no get anything
because fire no be him make, you know, they earn money. Theft no be him make. But if to send a all this policy, it would have covered everything. The thing is, you are not going out for business for a reason. So those earnings, when you dey supposed to, the policy we pay. So what will the advice be say? If you want buy now for your shop, no go there and say, because this market every time I fire, let me buy fire policy. Then let me buy business interruption in case fire destroy. Supposing we get another problem like COVID.
God forbid.
God no dey forbid this kind of thing. So
God forbid. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire against COVID.
They even say another one when senior and the senior brother won't come. So
we back to sender.
So wetin we dey talk say buy commercial or risk policy or business or risk. Some companies they call them business package policy. So that if anything happen, anyhow, you go still get some money to supplement that time when you know they earn money.
Okay, the person wey dey listen now wan buy this householder insurance. Wetin be the first thing wey you go do? Abi wetin insurance company go require or request from the person wey wan do? May we try take this call. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Wetin be your name? Where you dey call us from? Okay, labor, go ahead.
No, like every other insurance, the first thing we say, if you want buy cover, we don't talk say now you be landlord, abi now you be tenant. Let's say you be tenant. The thing our advice is that you group those things you want to insure. We normally say, you see, if you want to insure a house now, we go say furniture, we go say beddings, we go say kitchen utensils, those things you use in kitchen. So you group them, not you say you begin say, I get one mattress, I get one bucket. So,
I get one pot motor.
So you group them together. So it go dey easy to assess.
Okay.
You go to the insurance company, they will give you proposal form. Inside that proposal form, now here you go fill the details of these things. Your name, the location, the address, and all these things. And now for there, you go equally disclose whether you be the owner of the house or whether you be tenant. Then the type of house also, whether now where only you live inside the whole building, have been a block of flat. All this is very important because if you there for block of flats, the likelihood say fire fit start from one of the flats spread to the other one is higher than where only you there. So by the time you disclose all these things, it helps the insurance company to decide how much you will pay. But there is one good thing with buying household. If you are buying a fire policy, the insurance company go say your rate na 0.22%. You say you won't buy theft, they will say the rate na 0.65 or higher percent. But when you bring household, you bring all these things together. You have fire, you have theft, you have public liability. When we say personal liability, because you fit eat orange finish, drop them for staircase, somebody's match up, the person fall down, breaking hand. The policy go still come. So all these things put together. And when you add the rate, the premium when you go pay, and if you dey buy them one, you go discover say it dey cheaper for you to buy household policy than to buy single policies.
Okay, Prof, this household policy now, see, they cheaper, so you know, say me, I dey like anything cheap, anything cheap. My ear they stand. For office persons, they fit buy them.
We don't say for office.
Now something else. Now
yes. Okay. But you feel get package policy to
for
cover
office.
Your office, yes. And also, if you are buying for office, the extent of cover when you want to do will equally determine. Let's say you want fire, you want theft. Then, if your office be the place where they pay you cash, you want them to add fidelity guarantee. If you normally store goods there, you want that. But that one they call them combined policies.
Okay.
But you can just say, instead of getting combined where the rate go there high, just say all risk. Okay. Business all risk to cover everything. On the long run, an all risk policy, you may not pay more than 1%. But if you add all these things one, by the time you add it together, you pay higher than that.
Okay, Prof, e good as you dey explain am like this now. But you know, say sometimes when your people go to market us, the shori public, they will not take time to explain. They will just say, come, buy fire to cover your shop. Buy which one talk burglary in case if all these thief boys come to your shop and burgle your shop, the insurance go pay. They no go explain some of these things. No be all of them. They no go take time explain, say okay, if you join this one together, if you join this one together, the premium wey you go even pay sef, e go dey lower, and everything wey be your risk, e go dey covered for only this one policy. Why some of una marketers dey do like that?
If they do am now, you no go there for business. Na like now if
so
they do these things where the communication wey they do, if somebody else do am, then why you go there here on a lighter note?
So you now let me speak English. So you people, insurance people, marketer, we intentionally not disclose all these cheap things that we can do,
so that you will be in business also.
Is that what you are saying?
We love Madam Insurance.
Is that what you are saying?
So what happened is that, on a serious note, is that most times when a marketer go outside to sell, we are human beings. At times they want to sell those ones that will help them to get more business, more revenue. Even the word is revenue, because naturally a marketer has targets and he wants to fulfill the target. But for those of us here now, at least having a medium here, we want to provide solution. Our own thing, we are not making any profit. It's just to tell you those things you can do that can help you get adequate cover at a cheaper rate. I think that's the difference between the two.
All right, my people, I see they throw away plenty salutation. If you just they join us, you have missed plenty things. On top of the program, Wetin Insurance, they do serve this morning with a torchlight householder insurance policy, and Oga Obina, he don explain many things wey make sense on top the paro. And the people wey stand dey give this bring this program to now every Wednesday morning na Rex Insurance Limited, and I sure say this householder policy they sef dey arrange am, then dey sell am for inside Nigeria. Okay, Le Prof, before we comot for here, if person now don buy this householder policy, you first say go group all your property, including broom,
electronics,
broom,
packer,
everything. You go group everything together. Yes. Now you go come, you wey wan buy, now you go put amount. Yes. Why you dey laugh for broom? Broom is a property. You don't know.
It is now.
You go put your jewelry. For us women, go put your own
under all risk.
Under all risk.
The all risk section.
Okay.
Because one thing with thank God you bring out with jewelries. The jewelries, they fit steal them for house, they fit steal them for road, they fit steal them. Maybe you go for shopping, you say, okay, ma go wash my hand where you they use restroom. From there you forget them. Or camera and things like that. Those ones, they grouped under household policy. The section, you put them under the all risk section.
Okay.
But like the broom and packer.
Those
ones now inside the house, so they will come. Normally you put them under your.
Why is it
kitchen? Is it kitchen? Kitchen utensils.
Na kitchen department. Na broom and packer.
Yes.
They are in that department.
Yes, the television or fan, those ones comes under electricals and electronics.
Okay.
So it makes it easier for you to put a price. But another thing, I beg, make we no overvalue some of these things, because the problem when we they get with insurance is some people, they see insurance as where they will go and make money. It's like where you did not sow, you will reap. Put amount when they're reasonable. Not be the one when you go come say, the TV, you buy them for 5 million. We know that at times, when you are buying these things, the insurance company will not say anything. But by the time claims come now, they'll start saying the word we use breach of utmost good faith, say you lie and all these things. It begin bring problem. Or if they won't catch you well, they say go bring the receipts. So it's better when you are valuing these things, use the right thing so that when claim come, there won't be claim. I mean, there won't be issue.
Okay, Prof, this thing where you talk now, I just quickly ask this question before we come on. You say if you want value your property as you want buy insurance, put reasonable amount. Yes. Okay, you know, say for this Nigeria now, today now, as me and you do this studio, they talk. Inflation. Thank you. This biro now, if I buy am 1.5, next week, if I go market, go buy this biro, it go down be 2.5.
Yes.
So if me, I won't buy this household insurance policy now, and my TV, maybe when I buy am, is man not say 5 million, my TV not too big like that. I buy am 1.5 million.
Yes.
I go come reason for my head, say in case if fire or anything happen to this TV, if I won't go rebuy and I go don't reach like 3 million. So for now, as at today, I mean thinking sharp. I think I'll put why they laugh. Yes, that's thinking sharp and using deep wisdom. I think I'll put say this TV I bought it is 3 million. Is they wrong for insurance?
Is they wrong? Well, you see, our peculiar problem, you see, in Africa, the way inflation they rise. Even those of us, it's very difficult for us to even comprehend. Because outside, you see, insurance comes from outside to us. And if you look at how rates, most of the principles when they use, we borrow them from UK. The way prices go up there and the way prices go up here no be the same. Imagine motor. During the time when my pa dem buy one motor, they go use 1,000. Be to save na either 500 naira.
Brand new.
Brand new when no fee. So, but if you look at the rate of inflation in the 80s in the advanced world and now, you see that it no dey that high. But if you come our own, just let's say 2 years ago, the thing when you buy 2 years ago and the amount now.
2 years ago, you too go for nothing wey you buy last month.
So insurance go say make you put the right amount, and you put the right amount. The word self, there is what they call escalator clause, where if you say okay, put 10% or 20% in order to increase, you put 20%. By the time when the thing lost, you won't go buy.
Na 50%.
Na 50%. It becomes problem. You can't increase them on your own, and maybe the amount when you increase them can't be too high. So somebody at the time of claim may feel that you did it, because one of the ways when we use catch fraud, we say when you see somebody increase the price so much, you know that that person may be planning that maybe tomorrow I'll go and burn that thing so I'll make claim. So now it makes the thing to date so difficult for you to handle. But like I said, if you get TV 1,000, let's say 1.5 million, you still disclose to the insurance company, say this TV I buy it for 1.5 million, but because of inflation I want to insure it for 2 million.
From beginning.
From beginning.
Okay.
So all the parties will know. So if there is a claim and the thing is 2 million, 2.5, definitely. There is one thing we call on the insurance. When you look at personal insurances, insurance companies know that apply average like that. Average means, say, the sum insured, they lower than the value at the time of claim. So because the sum insured, they lower than the value at the time of claim, insurance company will penalize you. Make I explain in a simple way. You buy TV 1 million naira and you insure for 8,000. If loss come, insurance company say you on the insure. Instead of paying the 800, they will pay you 600 and this thing. That's for commercial. But most personal line, that's household, individuals, they always remove this issue of average. So it makes it easier for you. So supposing the TV, you insure for 1.5 million and at the time of loss now 2 million, the insurance company will still pay you the 1.5 million. There won't be any reason to say that you inflected it in order to cause the loss. But to you, there is a problem in the sense that you go put your hand inside your pockets.
Go add to the money
to
way
get the
insurance of him. All right, now there we go back break on top the program this morning. But before we go, may we just give you now information about Rex Insurance Limited. Their office day for Victoria Island. They also get office for Jibowu, the Jibowu bus stop for Lagos. The other places for those where they listen to also outside Lagos, Rex Insurance Limited, they dey Ibadan, they dey Benin, they dey Enugu, they dey Aba, they dey Asaba, they dey Port Harcourt, they dey Abuja, they dey Kano, and they dey Kaduna. If you follow them for social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn at Rex Insure. REX. X for Zaslophone. Insure. That one their social media, and if you still call them for WhatsApp or send message for 0911 240 4040. Their WhatsApp number than 0911 240 4040. Their direct number na 02014 6066 90 to 9. 02014 6066 90 to 9 or 070 8060 6100. 070 8060 6100. If you email them at general@rexinsure.com or support@rexinsure.com. Their website though, where you fit even go there buy any policy wey you like, na www.rexinsure.com. Le Prof, throwaway salute say you show inside studio this
Our
morning.
people,
we thank you for coming.
Make una dey buy
Insurance.
and make una dey buy package. No dey waste money, they say you dey buy one.
Okay.
Combine them together
and pay small premium.
And
Make sure say you visit Rex Insurance because they trusted and they reliable.
And they be the oldest though.
They be the oldest and they are the people
1921.
And they are the people that have swag and they have what's up. So visit Rex Insurance and if claim they be rest assured and their MD no be she don come here. Their ED don come here, no be those MD wey claim don happen, they'll say weak low hold MD for high, no fit hold biro to sign check. Their MD is a very courageous woman. So visit them, buy your insurance there.
Buy insurance from Rex, but weak low no dey hold any.
Na you sabi. My people na get better deal na bye bye.
When you think of Rex Insurance, think of the excellence of cleaning the house to the satisfaction of a typical Nigerian mom.
Okay, you've washed the plate twice. Have you washed the sponge with soap?
Yes, Mommy.
Think of the teamwork in managing your mom and mother-in-law for Omugo.
Honey, Mama and your mommy have gone to the market together. How did you do it?
At Rex Insurance, our values of resilience, efficiency, excellence, integrity, and teamwork have remained unwavering since 1918. No matter your business, agriculture, aviation, engineering, general accident, energy, motor or marine, our values and prompt claims payment are your assurance of our commitment to you. Rex Insurance, you are not alone.